It's also the stop at the line parking garage, or if you're trying to make a connection at the Disney bus stop, but their bus stop now located in the town center. The departure area for the Disney buses is located behind the Coca-Cola store. Buses go till 2 a.m. Last boats are 11:30. Quick reminder, keep hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the boat at all times. If you are seated, remain seated. If you're standing, remember to hold on to the handrail on the back of your seat. And allow me a minute to make sure the boat is secure against the side of the dock, and we'll go ahead and sound the all clear, and we'll get you on your way. Once again,
Rainforest Cafe.
don't forget the stock also serves the town center.
Oh, cool.
We'll be here for a few minutes and then we'll head over to
Yeah, I see it.
place.
Look at the boat goes into the water. You know that, right? Yeah, they go into the water. Amphicard. That used to be a thing, and they stopped making those. ¿Cuál?
La compañía que we didn't even came here.